In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online Audit Log, how to find deleted transactions. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, but sometimes things get deleted or voided, and you need to track down what happened. Whether it's for reconciling your accounts, resolving discrepancies, or just keeping a close eye on your records, knowing how to access the audit log to find deleted transactions is an essential skill. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to your company's main dashboard. This is your starting point, where you'll see an overview of your financial activity. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This is your gateway to QuickBooks settings and tools. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select the option labeled Audit Log. This will take you to a page where you can see a complete history of changes made within your QuickBooks account. It's like a digital footprint of all the activity happening in your business records. At the top of the Audit Log page, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Events. This is where you can filter the log to focus on specific types of transactions. Click on the Events drop-down and you'll see several options. For this tutorial, we want to find deleted or voided transactions, so select Deleted or Voided Transactions from the list. Once you've made your selection, give QuickBooks a moment to refresh the page. The audit log will now display a filtered list showing only the deleted or voided transactions that have occurred. This list is incredibly useful for tracing actions that might otherwise be difficult to track. Take your time reviewing the entries in this filtered view. Pay close attention to the timestamps for each transaction, which indicate when the action was taken, as well as the user who performed it. This information can be crucial for resolving any issues or understanding the context behind the changes. Finally, verify the details of each transaction. Look closely at what was deleted or voided and compare it to your records to confirm the changes. This step is all about ensuring accuracy and addressing any discrepancies you may find. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily locate and review deleted or voided transactions in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.